I'm J.W. Roth, founder, chairman, and CEO here at Venu. I'm here to tell you something. We just raised a ton of money. We did it from institutional investors who believe in what we're building, and they've caught the vision. And we did it over the last week against enormous macroeconomic headwinds. The financial markets were getting destroyed this week. The Dow lost 2,000 points. Yet, our investors looked past all of that and put their capital into Venu. That tells you something. Not only did we close this raise, but we structured it in a way that we now have a pathway to another significant funding through the exercising of these warrants from the same sophisticated investors who understand exactly what we're doing. This means that, combined with other financial instruments that we have in motion, we now have a clear strategic path to becoming fully funded and operationally profitable. We do not expect to need to come back to this well. That is the most important message I have for you today. I am confident that we are done. So why did we do this? The unit level economics of what we are building are staggering. This funding allows us to hold premium inventory on our own balance sheet in the form of fire pit suites, premium tickets, and fractional ownership. All of that juices our P&L in a way that translates directly to much higher valuations of our company. That is why this raise was oversubscribed in the worst market conditions and against every financial headwind, because our investors looked at our economics and said, I'm in. Look at what we've built. We have an incredible team that is only getting stronger. We've delivered unforgettable experiences to hundreds of thousands of fans. And at its core, our product is something special. We create memories. Music is the only product I know that creates a memory every single time. It's a uniter. You can sit next to somebody you disagree with on everything, and you will sing every word to Hotel California together and have a blast doing it. That's the product we build, and that's the business we're in. We are building something that is game-changing to the entire music industry. This is not going to make a small dent. This is a platform that will have significant impact on an entire roaring industry. We might be $4 or $5 today, but we're headed to 50. This capital is what accelerates us to get there. I want this to be an exciting journey for you because it's an exciting journey for me. But building a company is not easy. If it were easy, everybody would be doing it. There are going to be days that are great, and there are going to be days that are hard. We're in this together. And over the coming weeks, we're going to have a lot more to share about exactly where we're headed and exactly how we're going to get there. If you have questions, email investors@venu.live so I can answer them in our next Capital Conversations episode. Stay tuned, and thanks a million.